Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved 50% gain in SLB within 57 days. Let's have a look at the chart of SLB. Some ups and downs have been seen before the big surge in the stock in early January. The trade was exited on 3rd January. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of $2.60 and exit price of $3.90. I've exited this position with a 50% win. However, many of my subscribers have exited with even more profits. A nice 50% gain for this trade in 57 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 7 November with exit on 3rd January. Entry price is $2.60 with exit price of $3.90. This trade has achieved a 50% gain in 57 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.